Hi guys, today we're going to talk about money and missing number, okay, through this presentation, okay? Let's see. Here we have some money. I have $10, okay, and I'm going shopping, okay? Let's see what can I buy with $10. Here is the shop list, okay? And here is the prices. We can see that this toy costs $6, $3, $2, $5, and $9, and we only have $10, so I can't buy them all. What can I buy? Let's see. Okay, let's see. If I bought this toy with $6, I only have 10, right? When I pay to the owner or to the seller $6, I will have what left. Okay, what will be the money left with me? Okay, 10 minus 6, it will be 4. Remember, 4 and 6 make 10. So I still have $4 more. So what can I buy with $4? Can I buy this scooter? No, 9 is greater than 4, so I can't afford it. Okay. Can I buy this ball? It's only $3 and I have 4. Which one is bigger? Just you see which one is bigger. Do you have money? Can buy this toy if the money you have is bigger than this $3. But if you have a less money than $3, so you can't buy them. Of course, 4 is bigger than 3, so I'm going to give the seller $4 and to pay $3, so it means 4 minus 3. The seller will give me the change. The change means how much money is left with me now. It will be 4 minus 3, it will be 1. So I still have $1. If there is anything more I can buy with $1, can you see? There is nothing here for $1. So the $10 buy this toy and this ball. So let's make a circle about them. Let's surround them with a circle. Okay. Okay. So this is the first thing we can buy. We can buy this ball, this ball and this toy. Okay. Let's see if I don't want to buy this. How can I buy? What can I buy else? Let's try to buy the scooter. The scooter costs $9. Let's see. It's $9. Okay. So let's try to know how much money will be left with me. I have 10. I will subtract or take away 9 because I'm going to pay 9. So my money is going to be less with $9. It's going to leave only $1 left. So now I have $1. Is there anything I can buy here with $1? Let's see, it's more than $1, more than $1, more than $1, more than $1. So if I bought the scooter, it's only going to be only the scooter. Okay, I won't buy anything more. So the $10 buys this toy and ball and this scooter, and let's see what else. If I didn't want to buy the scooter, let's try to buy the teddy bear. Teddy bear costs $5. So I will take away 5 from the 10 to give the seller $5, and he will give me the change. It will be 10 minus 5, so he will give me another $5. So now I have $5. Can I buy anything with $5? Let's see. I can buy the ship. Okay, so $5. I'm going to give the seller $5, and he will take only $2. So we will subtract $2 from 5. It will leave $3 left. So now I have $3 left. Is there anything in the shop costs only $3? Yes, there are. What the thing costs $3? I can see this ball costs $3, so I can say that I will give the seller $3. He will take away $3, so it leaves nothing left. So I won't have any money left. So I bought with the $10. I bought a ball with $3, a ship or a boat for $2, and a teddy bear. So that was the last thing I can buy. Okay, so we can buy this ball and this ship and this teddy bear. Okay, thank you for now. Let's see next slide. Okay, here he's going to explain what are we going to pay. If I bought this ship, it costs $2, so 10 equals 2 and 8. 10 equals 2 and 8, right? So 10, we could split 10 into 2 and 8. So I give the seller $2. He will take $2 from the 10 and he will leave me 8. So the change will be 8. I will take $8 as a change. Or I can calculate it with the 10 frame. Here is the 10. So I have all the 10 and he will take only those two. So how much money will be left with me? It will leave the spare. These empty squares represent the rest of the $10. So I will have 2, 4, 6, 8. So I will have $8 left. Let's see, if I have $10, I can represent it by the number line. Okay, here is I have $10 and I will give him 1, 2. So I will give him $2 away or take $2 away. It leaves $8 with me. Here he wants you to say or to know that when we give anyone money to exchange, okay, and I want to change, to take the change or my change, okay, it just you have to do the number bond to calculate the money you will have left, or the 10 frame to know how much money will be left, or use the 10 frame, the number line. We have three ways to do it: by number bond, by 10 frame, or by the number line. And the other way, the fourth way, is that when we write the equation like that, it's 10, I have 10, I will give him 2, so it means take away 2, it leaves 8, so I will have $8 left, okay? So it's four ways to know how much money will you have in for a change of after buying this boat, okay? Here we can see that 10 equals 2 and 8. And 2, okay, what you pay, just color it with a different color than the whole counter. So I pay the orange counters, okay, it's $2, and the rest of the 10 will be $8, okay? We can say that we are standing on number 10 and we will take away 1, 2. So we took away 2 because the seller will take $2 and it leaves for us $8, okay? These are the ways to solve it, okay? Let's see, if I bought this ball, it's $3, okay? So I will pay $3 and I will have, can you tell me 10 is equal to 3 and what? 3 and what makes 10? It's 3 and 7. So I can hear you say 7, okay? So 3 and 7. I will pay 3. It means that I won't have the 3 anymore, okay? The 3 will be with the seller. He only will give me the 7. So it means I will take a change of $7 or the change will be $7. So if he give you any story problem and ask you, what will be the change? It means how much money will be left with you after you pay the prices of what you bought, okay? So I give him the 3 and I will take $7 away from the seller. So I will take $7 as the change, okay? Let's see, 10 equals 3 and what? Try to draw the other color counters by different color, okay? So let's see. Here I will buy $3 and here is I represented by the orange color. Let's see the rest of the counters or the 10 frame. When he gives you $10, it could be represented by a 10 frame, okay? Or number bond, because you know the number bond till 10 and you know it till 20, okay? So you can do it. Or you can use the number line. Okay, so here I draw the 3 I will pay with orange color, and the rest of the money I colored it green. So the green will be how much money will be left with me. So the money will be left with me will be $7. Let's try to represent it by a number line. I have $10. I will take away 3. So here is 1, here is 2, here is 3. So I will have $7 left. Okay. If I want to buy the teddy bear, okay, I will give the owner $5. So here I said the 10 makes 5, and 10 could be split into 5. And of course I can hear you say 5. So I will have $5 left. Okay. So I can represent what I buy with orange counters, and the rest will be green counters. Let's represent it by the number line. Here we have 10. We go back 1 step, 2 steps, 3 steps, 4 steps, 5 steps. So I will have 5 left. Okay, so it means I have $5 left. Okay, let's see if I bought this toy with $6. Here I draw 6 counters. Let's see how many counters are left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will have $4 left. Let's see. 10 could be split into or partitioned into 6, and what gives 10? 6 and 4 make 10. Okay. Let's represent it by the number line. We have 10 and we will take away 6. Let's take away 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we have $4 left. Okay, let's see another example. If I bought the scooter cost $9. So I will write here 9. So 9 and what makes 10? I can hear you say 1. Thank you. 9 and 1 makes 10. So I will have $1 left. So here I represented the 9 into the 10 frame with orange color, and this is the 1 left. Okay, so I will take $1 left. Okay, it's the change. So when he asks you how much money will you have as a change, or what is the change you will have, okay, and or tell us the change you will keep. Okay, the change cost $1 will be $1. Okay, let's see how to represent it by the number line. We will pay 9, so we take away 9 from the 10. Take away means backward, so we will be backward for 9 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we will have $1 left. Okay, let's see. So here he make a table. He tells you item, cost, change. Let's see. If I pay $2 as a ship price, it will leave me $8 left. So the change will be 8. If I bought $3, if I paid $3, I will have $7 as a change. If I paid $5, the change will be 5. Okay. If I paid this toy cost $6, the change will be 4. If I paid $9, the change will be 1. طبعا كان ممكن هنا because it's the 10 number pairs, we could make it into the table easily from the first beginning. We just say 2. We know that 2 and 8, so the change will be 8. 3 and 7, so the change will be 7. 5 and 5, 6 and 4, 9 and 1. We could do it easily without the 10 frame and without the number line and without the number bond, but it's showing us how we can do it. Okay. Okay, so in this question, he didn't want us to buy many more things by the $10. He asked you, if you bought one thing from the shop, how much money will you have left? Okay, so here is the amount of money we will have left, and we call it change. Okay, let's see another example. Here is the same shop, okay, and we have $20 now. Let's see, 20, and we will buy this monkey. It costs $6, so it will be 20 minus 6. فاكرين when I told you to let the number reach number 10? All the prices here are less than 10, صح? When you want to subtract any numbers less than 10 from 20, it's so easy. Just subtract it from the 10. افتكر 10 number pairs, okay? Make the 6 reach the number 10. 6 and what gives us 10? 6 and 4. So we will take 4 as a change and the other 10 يبقى 20. بصوا معايا هكتب ايه. ال 20 دي could be expressed as 10 and 10, right? The 20 could be expressed at or could be written as 10 and 10, $10 and $10. So it's 2 papers with 10. So when you have all the prices less than 10, just make the 10 number pairs and then add 10 to the answer. You will have the change. Okay, let's see. Here if I put this monkey, 6 and what gives us 10? Let's see. 6 and what gives us 10? 6 and 4. So we go back here and we write number 4. Okay. So I will tell him that if I pay $10, I will take $4 as a change. So here I pay 20. مش we have $4 left from the 10. And we knew that 20 is 10 and 10. يبقى from the first 10 we will have $4 left. And we still have the 10, the other $10, whole $10 left. يبقى الباقي هنا our change هنا will be the other $10. It's going to be the 10. And what we have left from the first $10, it will be 4. 10 and 4 will be 14. 10 and 4 will be 14. تاني بصوا ال 20 عبارة عن 10 and 10, right? ال 10 الأولانية اشتروا منها ال $6 يتبقى اللي هيتبقى معايا اجيبه ازاي بالنمبرز بير بتاعت ال 10 اللي احنا حافظينها. 6 and what gives us 10? 6 and what gives us 10? 6 and 4. So we have 4 يبقى هاخد 4 هيتبقى لي السيلر will give me $4 from the first 10 وبعدين هيديني ال 10 الثانيه كلها لاني ما صرفتش منها حاجه. يبقى انتوا في المسائل دي بتاعت النمبر بوند لو نمبر بوند from 20 والنمبر اللي انا I will take away smaller than 10 على طول وصلوا ال smaller than 10 ده وصلوه ل 10 شوفوا هيتبقى كام من ال 10 دي وبعدين add the number to the other 10. زي هنا انا قلت هي 6 smaller than 10 بايه؟ ب 4 يبقى انا هيتبقى لي 4 من اول 10 وال 10 الثانيه كامله كلها معايا يبقى 4 plus 10 will be 14. تعالوا نشوف ال $2 دي. احنا قلنا ال $2 قلنا ال 20 عباره عن 10 and 10. right? The first 10 هتفضل معايا زي ما هي يبقى 10 plus. اوكي تعالوا نشوف ال 10 الثانيه يبقى منها كام. ال 10 الثانيه I will take 2 away from the 10. When we take 2 away from the 10 it gives you 8, leaves you 8. So the change would be 8. طب الباقي from the 20 will be $8 ولا 8 and 10؟ في 10 هنا احنا ما لعبناش فيها خالص يبقى هقول له لا هي 8 and 10. 8 and 10 will be 20. اوكي طبعا اللي استغرب الطريقه دي هنحلها دلوقتي بالنمبر لاين. خلاص انا عندي 20 I will pay $2 so take away 2 from the 20 it means go backward 2 steps. Let's say with me before 20 will be 19, 18, so the answer will be 18. Okay. Okay. So here, if I bought this cubes or this blocks, I will pay $20 and I will take $18 as a change. Okay, the change will be 18. Here I have $3. Okay, 3 and what gives us 10? 3 and what gives us 10? Let's see. Do you remember 3 and what gives us 10? Yes, you remember. I can hear you say 7. So I will take 7 left from the first $10, but I have $10 or 2 tens dollar. I have 20, so I will have 10, the whole 10, and I will have 7 from the first 10. So I will have 10 plus 7 will be 17. So the answer will be $17. Now let's see if I put this 9, this scooter for $9. 9 from 10, it will leave. Let's see, 9 plus what gives us 10? Do you remember the 9 number pair to make 10? Yes, 9 plus 1 gives us 10. So I will take $1 left from the first 10. طب هي ال 20 عبارة عن 10 واحدة؟ No, it's 2 tens. خلاص ال 10 الأولانية عرفنا هيتبقى منها 1. وال10 الثانية هكتبها كلها لأن معايا الهول 10 كلها، الثانية معايا كلها. يبقى ادي تاني 10 كتبتها وارجع اشوف اتبقى كام من ال 10 الأولانية الاقي 1. يبقى the change will be 10 plus 1 it will be 7. طب انا مش عارف احل بالطريقه دي. هنرسم النمبر لاين وهنرجع from the 20 we will go backward 9 steps. It leaves 11. So the 11 will be the change. let's see if I put 5, this toy was $5. Let's see, the first 10 could be split into 5 and what makes 10? 5 and 5. So I will take from the seller $5 and I have another $10 left from the 20, so it leaves 10 and 5 leaves 15. مش عارف احل بالطريقه دي يبقى subtraction عادي جدا اللي هو بكتب 20 minus 5 واحلها 20 minus 5 على طول in my mind. 20 in my mind, get 5 fingers in your hand. Let's go backward from the 20. It will be 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. So the answer will be 15. And here I can write it 20 minus 9. Okay, على طول 20 in your mind, get 9 fingers in your hand, then subtract mean go backward. So let's go backward from 20, 9 steps. So before 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, and 11. So the answer will be 11. اللي احنا كنا وصلنا لها هنا, the same answer. We can write here that 20 minus 3 equals, let's take 20 in our mind, put 20 in your mind, get 3 fingers in your hand, then subtract 3 from the 20, it means backward, or before 20 it will be 19, 18, 17. Okay, so here it could be 20 minus 2, just stand up on 20 on the number line or in your mind and just go backward for 2 steps. So 20 in your mind, 2 fingers in your hand, then 20, before 20 it will be 19, 18, so the same answer. يبقى لا اما حضرتك هتقسم ال 20 into 10 and 10 زي كده, okay. شايفين ال 20 could be split into 10 and 10, okay. ال 20 could be split into 10 and 10. طب وبعد ما اقسمها 10 و 10, ال 10 دي هتفضل ثابته مش هصرف منها حاجه لان ثمن التويز less than the first 10. وال 10 الثانيه هي اللي هبتدي اقسمها واقول لو انا دفعت 6 اهي, انا دفعت 6 هيتبقى كام؟ يلا فكروني. 10 عباره عن 6 and كام؟ 6 and 4. تعالوا نعمل علامه غلط على الفلوس اللي هصرفها. انا دفعت ال 6 ثمن المونكي, يبقى مش معايا ال 6, اوكي. يبقى معايا ايه دلوقتي؟ اللي معايا 10 and 4. 10 and 4 14. يبقى حلوها بالنمبر بوند كده على طول. 20 عباره عن 10 and 10. طب ال 10 دي هدفع منها 6 هيتبقى 4, يبقى I have 4 left and 10 left, so it makes 14. طب هنا هاجي اقول ال 20 عباره عن 10 and 10. ال 10 هقول 2 and 8, اوكي. طب لما اقول ال 10 عباره عن 2 and 8 هصرف ال 2 يبقى cross the 2, هيتبقى عندك ال 8 وهيتبقى عندك ال 10 الاولانيه, it will be 18. تعالوا نشوف الباوربوينت معمول ازاي. اوكي. Okay, here he says you have 20. Okay, he drew for you the 2 counters you will pay. Okay, so with orange color. So I will write here 20 عبارة عن 2 and let's see how رسم بقية الكاونترز. تعالوا نعدهم. ال 10 فريم لما يبقى كامل يبقى دول 10 counters. ال 10 فريم ده مش كامل. اوكي, تعالوا نعد معانا كام. يبقى انا معايا 10 بعدين 12 14 16 18. So I have 18. So I will write here that 20 minus 2, it means backward 2 steps it will leave 18. يبقى هيبقى لي كام يا ولاد؟ 18. So the change will be 18. Let's type it in the number bound. يبقى ال 20 عبارة عن 2 and 18. يبقى the change here will be 18. Okay. 20 عبارة عن 3 and رسمنا 3. يبقى اللي هيتبقى من ال 2 10 frames هو ده بقية ال 20. أول 10 frame هيتبقى فيه 10 كاملين مش هاخد منه حاجة. تاني 2 frame خدت منه 3 يبقى هيتبقى 7. 10 and 7 makes 17. يبقى هنعد 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 and 10 makes 17. Okay. Or we can represent it by the number line. So 20, take 1, take 2, take 3. So when we take 3 away, it leaves 17. Okay. So we will write it in the number bond. 20 عبارة عن 3 and 17. Okay. If I bought a toy for $5, here I draw the $5, and the rest of the counter will be 5 and 10. So it makes 15. Okay. يبقى هنا زي ما قلت لكم هنقسم ال 20 into 10 and 10. ال 10 الأولانية موجودة كاملة. ال 10 الثانية I took 5 away, so it leaves 5. I see it leaves another 5, so it will be 5 and 10, it will be 15. Okay, let's draw it by the number line. Let's go back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it leaves 15. Let's write it in the number bond. 20 عبارة عن 5 and 15. So the change here will be 15. Okay. If I paid $6, it means the rest of the counters means a change. I have here 4 and I have here 10, so it will be 14. So let's go back 6 steps from the 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it leaves us at 14. So we can write here that 20 عبارة عن 6 and 14. خدوا بالكم 6 وال 4 هي ال 10. Okay, and the other 10 بكتبها في ال 10 يبقى 14 على طول. طيب here I paid 9. تعالوا نشوف ال 9 اهو اتبقى لي كام؟ اتبقى لي 1 من ال 10 فريم ده واتبقى لي ال 10 الثانيه يبقى 10 and 1 makes 11. Here let's go back 9 steps 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So when we go back 9 steps it will leave us at 11. So we can write here 9 and 11. خدوا بالكم 9 and 1 هي النمبرز بير بتوع ال 10 وال 10 الثانيه بتتكتب في ال 10. يبقى اللي هيتبقى معايا from the first 10